Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. If you're new here, thank you for coming. The returning viewers, I really appreciate you for your support. Thank you for joining me. In today's presentation, we continue with theory of logarithm. With us here is a question from 2022, objective number 11. This is further mathematics. Well, the question from 2017, number 3, the theory part, that's question 2. Let's look at how we can handle this together. Question 1, that's on the board, reads, if V is equals to P log bracket open n plus n close the bracket to base x, we are asked to express n in terms of x, p, m, and v. Question number 2, given that log p to base 10 is a, log q to base 10 is b, and log s to base 10 is c. We are asked to express log p power 1 over 3 times q power 4 divided by s power 2 in terms of a, b, and c. Question 1. We are asked to express n in terms of x, p, m, and v means make n the subject of the formula or the subject of the relation. The same thing here. We are asked to express this in terms of a, b, and c. It means our final answer, they must be a, they must be b, they must be c. The same thing here. Our final answer, they must be x, they must be p, they must be n, they must be v. Meaning make n the subject of the formula. Let's look at how we can handle this together. First thing to do, write down the solution. Okay? We have v. Instead of writing this, I can write this as p, that's solution to 1 now. Log m plus n to base x will be equals to v. We are asked to make n the subject of the formula in this case. First thing to do, we take this p to this side here. Recall from one of the laws of logarithm. If we have log a power x to base b, this is the same thing as x log a to base b, vice versa. Meaning from here we can move back to this. If you want to move back to this, we bring this x back here. The same thing. So we'll apply that here. So this can be written as log m plus n all in power p now to base x will be equals to v, using this law of logarithm now. Clearly here, we can change this to index form. This is in logarithmic form. To change this to index form, we raise this x to power what? V. So it will be x now power v will be equals to m plus n power p. We are asked to make n in terms of what? In terms of p and x, m, and v. Okay, so it means how can we make this n the subject of the relation? Now this is what we have here. Okay, to achieve that, first thing for us to do, we have to take the reciprocal of this p and raise both sides. So that the reciprocal of p is what? Is 1 over p, so that we can remove this p here. It's 1 over p. So meaning raise both sides to 1 over p. So we take 1 over p of this. Then the same thing here. This is x power v times 1 over p. The m is so that we can remove this p. Okay? So here now we'll have x power v divided by what? P. This will be equals to m plus n. Our m is to make this n to stand on its own. So we can easily make n to stand on its own now. Why? We can subtract m from both sides. If we subtract m from both sides, n now will be equals to x power v divided by p minus n. So this will be the solution to this. It means if we check this very well, we are asked to express n in terms of what? X, P, M, and V. Our final answer they must be what? X, V, P, and M. So this is the solution to this question 1. Let's look at how we can solve question 2. It's very easy. It's just for you to apply the golden fact about theory of logarithm, the laws of logarithm. I have full video on that. You can check my channel. You will see the laws of logarithm. Okay, let's move to question 2. Let me remove this question 1 so that we can have enough space to solve that. Let me still remove here so that we can solve question 2. Okay, question 2. If you look at this question 2 critically, here the base is not given. In logarithm, if the base is not given, the common base is 10. So it's 10. And even from here, we can see that we have s to base 10, p to base 10, log p to base 10, log q to base 10. We know that here is 10. If it is not given, the base is 10. So the first thing to do, you realize that this is a combination of multiplication and division. So from first law of logarithm is addition law. Then the second law is subtraction law. So I have to split work on this. What do I mean? I can write this as log, as I say, it will be 10 because it's not giving. So if the base is not given in logarithm, it means it is 10. Can split this as log 1 log p power 1 over 3 to base 10 plus log q power 4 to base 10 minus log s power 2 to base 10 is the same thing. How did I come about this? You realize that this multiplication is addition in logarithm. It means when we are adding in logarithm, we can multiply the power. It means if I say p power 1 over 3 times q power 4, I will still get this. Then subtraction in logarithm means division. Then this will be divided by s power what? 2. And log to base 10, log to base 10, log to base 10 is common, meaning I can factor it out like the way it is like this. Then I will multiply this power, then I will divide. In other words, this is equals to this. It means log bracket open p power 1 over 3 times q power 4 divided by s squared is the same thing as log p power 1 over 3 to base 10 plus log q power 4 to base 10 minus log s squared to base 10, meaning this is equals to this. Then this is the first thing to do. Okay, so here what do we do? On this side, from the question, we are told that log p to base 10 is equals to a. So for me to have log p to base 10, I have to take this 1 over 3 backward using one of the laws of logarithm. If we have log a power x to base b, this is the same thing as x log a to base b. So I'll apply this log to this side. So I'll have 1 divided by 3. This will be log p to base 10 plus the same thing here. I'll bring this 4 backward. That will be 4 log q to base 10 minus the same thing here. I will bring this s, that's 2 now, power 2 now, that will be 2 log s to base 10. From the question, we are told that log p to base 10 is a. So here, anywhere I see log p to base 10, I'll replace it with what? A. The same thing with log q to base 10, I'll replace it with b. The same thing with log s to base 10, I'll replace it with c. So it means, let's move here. Let's start now. I have 1 over 3. This will be 1 over 3. Log p to base 10 is equals to a. That will be times a plus 4 now. Log q to base 10, log is b, that's times b. That will be 4b minus 2 now. Log s to base 10 is c, that's times c, which is 2c. So this is what I will have at the end of the day. Remember, we are asked to express this in terms of a, b, c. If you check this answer, this our answer here is in terms of what? Meaning in terms of a, b, c means there will be a, there will be b, and there will be c in our final answer. So this is the solution to this question. We may decide to simplify further or leave it like this, but this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you for watching.